Okay, here is where I went back to that where I logged in from my Google page. I'm going to choose my program I'm going to go from. And this is how I made the test. So I just want to walk you through in case you want to make a test. I'm not going to make a whole test on here, but on here under my resources, here's my graphing unit test. So I'm going to go back to my table of contents. I just wanted to show you where that was housed at. And I can create content, build a test. I can title this test. So if I'm going to call it, I don't know, I'm going to make up something. So doubles. Description, you don't have to put anything there. Mastery, 70% by default. Yes. I don't know if that's your mastery. That's just what this says. So, and I chose one try at each test, no test retake. Now that's going to be up to you guys. I just assumed it was that. And then you could pull small groups and do corrections in a small group if that's how you guys want to do it with your own kids in your classroom or whatever. Oh, I do have to put something in. So forgot. Doubles. Assessment. I don't know. I think I just typed in something there to fill in the blank. And push next. So you're going to see this open. You can choose from all these choices. Multiple choice, which means you make up your own questions, import your own pictures, and do the choices. This is where I could not find the voiceover to read it to them. What I did find though, when you import the pictures, like I was going to try and do the picture from your graphing, but no matter what I did on shrinking the image, it still didn't meet the requirements of how tiny it had to be. So I decided that wasn't the easiest. This is called just this kind of response. I did not think that would be manageable for littles. So I went to items from the test bank. So I am going to know that doubles, these are your teaks. So I am going to just choose items. And now I forgot what that was. Hold on, I'm gonna go back here. Doubles. And what we were, actually I have your notes here because I've so I didn't have to open a zillion different things, but I don't know if the teak number is on here. Anyway, I don't have that memorized apparently. So let me go back here. I'm not sure why this is sharing a window. Hopefully it is sharing this window, but it switched to this. Unless it's sharing. Okay, so I'm just going to choose a multiple choice item right here. And then I just chose one instead of spending time showing you all of this. So then once I select that, this is going to go to this. And I know I called it doubles. I just picked something so that I didn't spend a long time looking. And so you can go through, and if you like it, you can save it and they can listen to everything. If you don't like it, but you like the picture of the question, which is what I did, I edited it. That sounds like da-da-da. Anyway, so this picture, you can change the questions here. You can delete them. This is the import the picture. That's the one that has to be 2 or 200, something weird. And I was struggling with that. So you guys might have a great way to do that. Let's say if I like that question, I'm going to save it. Okay, now it says audio is removed. Yes, because I can't figure that out. And then you can go to more questions. Now you also can add a question here and you can insert a question in that order. So you can use their questions that are available. You can edit these, and that's what I did in some of those. And I changed the question up here. Instead of the word fewer, maybe you want to take, would it take more or fewer of those two? And then you change your answers here. You can delete it. Again, you can do pictures and images, but anyway, and then if you want to keep it, you hit save every time. Okay, I know that the audio will not be there, and you can delete, and you can even pick from other, I went back and forth to other, you can rearrange it or other teaks, and deleted and just took them from different teaks to pull in the right questions together or find what you like. So let's say I want to rearrange. You can change the order, and then you can hit done. Then you can preview it, and it'll look like the kid mode. This is exactly what the kids mode would look like, so you can see what it looks like. So you would know what that looks like, and if you like the view before you save it, you can print it here. So if you wanted to print the test, paper, pencil, and the answer key for your students instead of taking the digital, although it's sure nice that it grades it for you, you can do that. When you're done, you push done, and it's there. And then all you have to do is you could customize it, and like if you found something wrong with it, you can customize that some more. You can assign it, or that's the wrong test, remove it. I'm going to remove it because it's not anything that we need in the content. So that's how to create a test to